Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4 Stars Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, almost weekend Friday, November the 18th, 2022. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, a tectonic with 1 star, in Dutch they call it cipher block, and the last one a binary puzzle. The first one I have already solved is the 3 stars puzzle, 3 stars Sudoku. I will continue with the Sudoku with 4 stars, the second one, and this will be number 5502. Alright, 5502. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1 less than the previous Sudoku, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1 2, 3 3s, 3 4s, 1 5, 2 6s, 2 7s, 1 2 3 4 5 8s. All right, and 2 9s. So the 8s are a majority. Can I start with 8? 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, there are only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here a 1 in this row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in this row, so no 6 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so 4 missing numbers now in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5, it should be there. So 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 boxes. So we have 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in this row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this middle row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4, okay. Then Let me see. 7, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 in this box. Here's 7 in the last row, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes. In the first column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 in this column could be here, here, or there. We see another 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and a 6, well, we have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. I've marked those two boxes with a 7. Now we have a 7 in this row, so this box can be a 7 and more. That box should be a 7. Alright, we can count, and all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, then. Let me see. Come on. 6 and Well, 1. Come on. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 3, 2. Alright, so 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 169. 169. Yeah. 1 and a 9. So 2 numbers left in this second column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 is no. 1 and no, we have a 2. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, and the 7 and 8 and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So those 2 boxes should be the numbers 6 and the 9. Let me mark those. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Alright. 9, 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 1. We have a 9 and a 1 in the first row. So no 9 and 1 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and 1 goes in those 2 boxes. Disappear. 9 and 1, 9 and 1, 9 and 1. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 1. Okay, so 9. Let me see. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 6, 6, 6, 2, 5, 6, and the 7. No, and the 9. 9, 9. 9, 9. Okay. 6, 9, and a 5. 9, 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, and a 7 and 8 and a 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here, 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. So the 6 and the 5 are left. 6 and the 5 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9, 9, 9. 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5 and the 2. Okay. 6, 5, and the 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Ay. Come on. 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and the 9, we have a 6 now in the first column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 5 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the last column. I believe the 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So I've eliminated the 5 there. So this box should be a 2 then. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 and the 3, we have a 6 now in the second row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. And let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Well, now we have a 3 here in the middle column, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this middle column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Alright, great. Sudoku. 4 Stars Sudoku, no. 3 Stars Sudoku, no. Let me give this again a 2 Star Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again later on with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.